Hello, everybody. I am happy you are here. Today, we are going to make the perfect gift for your loved ones. With very simple materials, we are going to make this beautiful basket full of flowers. Let's start.